Oh, what's the matter, buddy?
I really liked her.
I know you did, buddy. She's a good kid. I bet you miss her a lot.
Yeah. I love you guys.
Don't take those pills, Jerry. Unless you want to say goodbye to your old friends.
I'm not sure it's a good idea to be talking to your cat anyway.
Yep.
Or dog either.
Take those drugs, and you will enter a bleak and lonely world, Jerry.
Jerry. Jerry.
Hi, Fiona.
Look what you did to me.
I'm so sorry.
Friday I had a pretty cushy gig. Had lots of friends, I was the office hottie. Now I'm a severed head in a fridge. Sucks to be me, Jerry.
What can I do about it now?
Take the meds, you useless wanker. Take them. Take them! See, that wasn't so hard, was it?